From rags to riches. A dead mouse lay on the roadside. A poor young man stood there looking at it. Just then, the royal adviser was passing by. He said, "That dead mouse can make you wealthy." The young man took the mouse to a grocer. The grocer fed it to his cat and gave the man a copper coin. The man bought many flowers with the coin and sold it to a priest for a huge amount. He sold more flowers for some time and grew rich. Then he opened a clothes shop. The young man gifted 500 coins to the royal adviser, whose remark had made him rich. The royal adviser was so impressed with the man's hard work that he asked his daughter to marry the young man. The man was no longer an ordinary person. He was now the royal adviser's son-in-law. Hard work has its own sweet rewards. The Snake Man. A Brahmin's wife gave birth to a son, but the child turned out to be a snake. They showered him with love and affection. When the snake grew up, the Brahmin and his wife married their son to a young lady amid grand celebrations. Soon something new happened. The snake would turn into a young man every night. By morning, he would become a snake again. One night, the Brahmin peeped in through the window and saw the snake's body lying on the ground. A young man was chatting with his daughter-in-law. He understood everything. Quickly, he went into the room, picked up the snake's body, and burnt it. The man said to his father, "I was born as a snake due to a curse. Thanks for burning the snake's body and freeing me from the curse." The young man never became a snake again, and they all lived happily ever after. The Proud Peacock. There was a lake in a forest. It was surrounded by beautiful trees and bushes. A peacock lived near the lake. He had beautiful feathers, and he looked at his reflection on the surface of the lake water every day. One day, a crane came there searching for food. The lake was full of fish and he was hungry. The proud peacock began to spread his tail and said to the crane, "Look at me. My feathers are so beautiful, not plain and boring like yours." The crane looked at the peacock for a while and said, "True, my friend, you look beautiful." The peacock boasted, "There is no one like me in this forest." The crane replied, "What's the use of beautiful feathers that don't help you to fly? My feathers are plain, but I can fly wherever I want to." The peacock was silent. He had learned a lesson in humility. The Rams and the Wolf. There was once a wolf who lived in a forest on the hills. One day he was wandering in search of food when he came across a meadow. Two rams were fighting there. He hid behind some bushes and watched them. "If both the rams die fighting, I will have food for at least a few days," he thought. Meanwhile, the rams continued to lock horns. They would go back a few steps and rush ahead, smashing their heads against each other. The rams kept fighting, and the wolf watched as they wounded each other. The wolf was growing impatient. He thought, "The rams must be tired after fighting for so long. I will kill one of them and deal with the other after my meal." He went near the rams and poked his head between them, but he was crushed between the strong rams. The foolish wolf died instantly.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.